Hi, my name is Scott Mason. Welcome to TradeAlyticsLive.com. Let me mute this TV really quick. Ba-bam. Okay. As you can see, I'm wearing my Detroit t-shirt today, which means, that's right, Detroit won against New York Yankees. And I think they're just going to go all the way and take the series this year. But you know, that's just my opinion. I'm a Motown guy. All right, so let's look at the market first as a whole here, INDU. And show you what we're looking at on a macro scale. You can see this long ascending channel and the double top, which we pointed out here last week, and coming all the way down to test this support line, which is long-term support at 13,290, and it's flirting with that now. So we're seeing some consolidation. What I'd like to see here, if you're looking at this chart, I'd like to see it just kind of bowl up here and create a nice support channel, and then just start to get back up into 52-week highs. I'm not convinced that they're going to take this market down too far based on the election coming up and based on the fact that it's coming into the end of the year. And I really think these institutions need to post a 15 to an 18% gain in their portfolios. So, you know, we're trading the market as a whole against the 13,290 with very, very tight stops. If it falls below there and closes below there, then we will change our tune rather quickly. But as of right now, had a few good trades this morning. First one here is Citigroup. They beat earnings this morning. Had a couple different opportunities to get involved at different levels, and I want to point out some long-term resistance, which is around 36.15. We started getting involved in the stock at 35. 35.30, 35.40 on the pullback. Sold most of our positions into that 36.15, which is long-term resistance. And let's go ahead and point it out. You can see it right here. Big sharp down, consolidation for 4 to 6 weeks, and then all of a sudden we're getting a nice move up for the past quarter. And now we're right back up to long-term resistance at 36.15, and the fact that Citigroup reported and beat earnings this morning and raised guidance and so on and so forth. Projected move is going to be right into about 38 to 38.25, but we need the stock to close above 36.15. We've already taken 2 profitable trades on the stock, and we will do another, just waiting to see a good entry point. So as of right now, it's on the radar. Next one we had here is BIDU. Whoops. You can see BIDU is really kind of gotten beaten up over the past 4 to 6 weeks, as it has this this bearish kind of channel. And when stocks usually do this, you want to trade them long against support and sell into resistance. And as of right now, we started trading the stock around 112.50, took a trade into 113.30, 113.40, and really it was just a quick little trade. Honestly, if it trades above 113 again and closes there in a 15-minute, probably go long, because the next resistance isn't for 3 or 4 points higher. So it's in the mid-range of the channel. Stocks are always difficult to trade when they're in the mid-range of the channel, so you have to be very selective on your entry points with tight stops. But so far we've made one good profitable trade. Now we're just kind of waiting for it to set up again and move back above 113. So keep that one on the radar. Markets aren't really doing anything yet here, guys. I mean, Google, we talked this morning about getting some put options as it gets through 750, and I missed it, so I didn't chase it. And here we are. It's at 735. It was a great time to get into some put options. And Citigroup is now getting ready to get back above the 36.15, so probably going to get back into that stock. But don't force trades today. I don't see much happening. You know, the Dow's only up 11, and it's been in like a 25-point range since the open at 9:30, and it's currently 11. So for an hour and a half, the markets have done nothing. You got to be very stock selective, and don't force trades in this tape. Just kind of wait and sit back and be patient and wait for some setups. And tune into our live show at 9 o'clock every morning and get into some profitable trades with our team, Tradealytics Live. My name's Scott Mason. See you tomorrow. Thank you.